I'm going to show how to assemble the Yard Care electric dethatcher model A03101A. The lower handles have a plastic plug capping off one side. The adjustment blocks slide onto the end of the lower handles without the plastic plug. The hole with the indentation faces the adjustment block. Slide the block over the threaded rod with the handle angled toward the back of the dethatcher. Slide on a washer, then tighten the handle in place with a wing nut. I lined up the mark on the block to the mark on the dethatcher. Put the other lower handle in place, repeating the same steps. The top of the lower handles angle in toward the center of the dethatcher. Holding the upper handle, slide a carriage bolt into the top of the lower handle away from the switch side. Push the bolt in place, locking the square part of the bolt into the square opening in the handle. Slide on a washer, then tighten the handle together with a wing nut. Slide the cord holder onto the top part of the handle on the switch side with the hook facing down. Slide on the carriage bolt and washer, then tighten down the wing nut. Use a cable holder to secure the power cord onto the top of the handle. Use a cable holder to secure the power cord lower on the handle. Slide the metal frame into the collection bag with the top loop over the top of the bag. Slide the long clip on the bag over the top of the metal frame. Slide the clips on the sides and bottom over the frame. To attach the bag, lift up on the back cover and slide the two posts on the bag over the hooks on the dethatcher. Then release the back cover. The height adjustment handle operates the front wheels.